Wanna color grade your videos like your favorite movie Mad Max, TV series Walking Dead? Sounds impossible, right? Don't worry, at the beginning it was difficult for me too, but now it's simple and easy. You don't have to follow complicated steps, you don't need to buy expensive color grading devices or hire a professional colorist. In this video, you're going to learn how to do color correction and color grading like a pro without any hassle. Here is a quick roadmap of what we are covering today. First, we'll start by color correction or raw footage to get a balanced look. Then we'll dive into color grading, specifically how to steal the look of your favorite films. I'll show you both traditional method and a much faster way using a game-changing color match plugin. Finally, we compare the results to see which one wins. Now let's jump right into color correction. When it comes to color correction, the first question is what kind of footage we are working with. It is RAW, log or Rec 709. Most likely we are working with log or Rec 709. But what exactly is log? Log is a specific way of recording video that makes the image flat and wash out at first. It's still compressed video, not a censored data. RAW is the actual censored data. Examples of log formats are slog, cliog, and vlog. These usually come in file types like MP4, MOV, MXF depending on the camera. Rec 709 is what we record our phones or on most beginner or consumer cameras. It already looks normal and ready to watch. Now if you have log footage, for example, here on timeline I have some DJI Mavic drone footage. The first thing I need to do is convert this log to Rec 709. To do that, I select clip, then head over to Lumetri color panel. Under basic collection, click the input LUT drop down and choose DJI D-Log to Rec 709. Instantly you notice the change, the brightness, contrast and colors return to normal viewing levels. Now the clip is ready for proper color correction and color grading. Remember, technical LUTs are specific LUT to different cameras like Sony, Blackmagic or DJI, and you can usually download them for free from the manufacturer's website. Now let's move on to the basic color correction. Okay, color correction is all about balancing the light and color in a shot to fix any mistakes made during filming before moving on to color grading. The first step in color correction is to head over to the window menu and select Lumetri scopes to enable it. This is really important for color correction. Next, go to the light section in Lumetri color and push the contrast slider to the right to increase the contrast of the image. After that, you can slightly increase the exposure if needed. When doing this, make sure to keep an eye on the waveform luma and parent RGB. Don't push the brightness past 100 IRE line. Keep the image levels within 0 to 100 range. If you have any questions about importing LUTs and using Lumetri scopes, you can find the answer in my dedicated color grading playlist, link in the video description. Now let's move the highlight slider slightly to left to darken the light areas a little bit. Next, play the shadows to see which adjustments works best for the image. The whites control the brightest part of the image. When you adjust the white slider, keep an eye on the top of the waveform. The blacks control the darkest part of the image. Take the slider and bring it to the left. To adjust the white balance, let's zoom on the program monitor. It looks like this portion is white area of the image. Now use the eyedropper tool to select the white area, and it will automatically adjust the white balance by tweaking the temperature and tint. Alternatively, you can manually adjust the white balance or skin tones by masking the skin and making sure the pixels stay right on the flash line in the vector scope. So these are the basic of color correction. Now let's move on to the main event, color grading and matching your footage to look like just your favorite movies. Now we are going to try to color match this video with the look of Mad Max. Here is an image from the Mad Max on the timeline. First, let's make a duplicate copy of this video. Now make sure the original video is selected. Then head over to the Creative tab in Lumetri Color. Here you find the Look section, which is used for applying a creative LUT to give the video specific style or mood like a cinematic look or teal and orange tones. Next, we have Vibrance to intensify the muted colors of the image, and Saturation, which intensifies all the colors in the video. Color grading gives you a ton of tools to creatively manipulating your image. For this match, we'll be using the colors wheels and match section. Now click on comparison view and you'll see your current frame on the right side. On the left, the reference frame will display the Mad Max image. You can use the slider or the arrows to navigate to the reference image or frame that we placed earlier on the timeline. Once your reference frame is set, simply click Apply Match. Premiere Pro will automatically analyze the reference clip and adjust your target clip's color, brightness, and contrast to match. If the match is not 100% perfect, don't worry. You can always go back into basic correction settings to fine-tune the results and to get exactly where you want it. Now let's see how the color match plugin can steal any cinematic look with just one click. This plugin is designed to make color correction faster than even by using a reference image of your choice. Once you have downloaded and installed it, you'll find it in your Effect Controls panel. Now just drag and drop it onto your clip. Next, head over to Effect Controls panel to tweak a few settings. You'll see Color Match plugin listed right there under Lumetri Color. By clicking Active, you can active your Color Match plugin if you have the license. Color Match plugin is from Retouch for Me, a company dedicated to high-end color tools for Premiere Pro, Photoshop, and DaVinci Resolve. You can try any of their plugins for free, and if you like the results, use my promo code FRAMING20 to get a 20% discount on all Retouch for Me plugins and cloud services. All the details and download link are in the video description. Okay, back to the edit. In the Effect Controls, you will see Reference and Match viewing areas. Simply select the image you want to use as reference, then click Match. The plugin instantly analyzes the shot and matches the color for you. If the result needs a little fine-tuning, you can use these sliders. Color Match Blend controls how much of the new look is applied. Match Smoothing helps blend the colors more naturally. Lumiance and color components, these allow you to refine brightness and hue precisely. You can even combine these adjustments with your standard Lumetri color settings. So here is the footage color match using the Color Match plugin, and here is the same footage color match earlier using Lumetri Color. Now let me know in the comments which one looks better to you. Let's try another clip, this time without any color correction. I'll add a reference frame. Let's use this one, and you can see the video transform instantly. By clicking on next reference, we can even easily switch the reference image. Honestly, results are surprising. Now I'm switching through different reference images for my favorite movies, so you can see how the plugin handles various styles and color matching. Honestly, I'm shocked by how well it works. The accuracy is amazing, and it's gonna save me so much time on future projects. If you want to skip the long process of traditional color grading, this is definitely the way to go. One more thing, the Color Match tools also comes with a library of LUTs, and many of them are free. For example, let's try this one. It totally changes the look of the video instantly. There is also the LUT blend option, which lets you adjust the intensity of the LUT. And that's it. Remember, color grading is all about creating a specific look or emotion by applying with colors and effects. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, the Color Match plugin is a fantastic tool to have. It makes it easy to grab the vibe of your favorite movies and apply it to your own work in seconds. Check out the video description for all the links and more details. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.